Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about your preparation before you start a recipe. There's a French term for that, it's a culinary term, and it's called mise en place. Mise en place sounds very fancy, but what it means is that you have everything in place before you start. So before you start your recipe, you should pull all of those ingredients out and then measure them all. I can't tell you how much time I have wasted opening up my cupboard, taking out one ingredient, measuring it out, then looking at the recipe, going back and doing the same thing over and over again. It'll take you so much longer if you don't assemble it. That way you know you have everything and it'll all come together that much quicker. So I have all my mise en place together here. I'm making a cheese sauce. I'll link the recipe below for you. It's very, very low in points. It's from a blogger called Little Blue Plates. It's very simple to make. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot. It's cholesterol free, it's dairy free, gluten free, oil free. I don't use any added oils in my recipes, and I'm going to be putting it all together in here. This will be done, let me look at my recipe here. This will be done in 5 minutes. How about that? So my first ingredient is water, and I've got some potatoes that are all cut up. This is my mise en place. I peeled them, washed them, cut them up. That's part of the mise en place. I've got some onions that are just quartered. I've got some carrots. I've got some raw cashews. You want to use raw cashews, not roasted cashews or salted cashews, just raw cashews. I can buy them in bulk and they're sold in pieces, so then it's a little bit less expensive. If you have a nut allergy, you can make this recipe without the nuts. I would just add a little bit more potatoes so that you've got the creamy consistency. So that goes in. I've got a teaspoon of smoked pimento. I usually pick my smoked pimento up at TK Maxx, TJ Maxx for you. I've got some lemon juice and some vinegar. I think it's vinegar. Okay. Trying to think back on my recipe. And I've got some, the recipe calls for white miso. I don't have any, so I'm going to use some brown miso. I think it's going to turn out just the same. It'll still have that really big umami flavor. And then it also calls for nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a staple in a plant-based kitchen or in a vegan kitchen. This is a denatured yeast. It has nothing to do with cooking yeast or with baker's yeast. It has a cheesy flavor. That's in. And I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, and I can add more salt afterwards when it's done to see if it needs more. So that's all I wanted to show you for now. It's going to go for 5 minutes. I'm going to serve this with some broccoli and black lentils, and I'll show you what that looks like tomorrow. So I'm just going to put this on 5 minutes. It's going to make its magic sound, and it's all ready to go. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. I hope you have a great day.